Good morning folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's well, hope everybody's happy. So we're still on the plastering and it will be for a short while to come. So the task for today then is to fill in the depressions or the divots caused by the drywall screws which are securing the plasterboard to the ceiling. So the idea then is that when you actually attach the plasterboard, when you screw in the drywall screws, you're not supposed to break the paper, and in a majority of cases that's been successful. But anyway, the fact is these depressions need to be filled in, and I'm just going to sort of show you what I'm going to do in order to achieve that. Now, there is a common misconception amongst people that if you board something over then it needs to be skimmed. That's not the case. And what I'm going to do actually, where all of these boards butt up together, I'm actually going to be trying something which I haven't done before. I'm going to be using paper tape and a jointing compound, and I'm going to seal the joints that way. I won't be skimming these ceilings, and what will happen is I'll probably need to put a couple of coats of the jointing compound on top of the tape, and when I've done that I'm going to paper over them using lining paper, and then I'm going to paint that over. Anyway, I thought I'd shoot one or two vids just to show you what I'm doing, how I'm going to do that, and hope you enjoy them. I'll reset the camera and I'll get back to you. Now, the compound which I'm going to be using to fill in these little divots, I'm just going to use the Gyprock Easy Fill, which you've seen me using in another few videos. So I'll be using that, mixing up a small amount of that in one of these plastic containers. Now, in order to apply the filler, some people use taping knives, you can use a flexible filling knife. I've got a selection of stuff here, look. Now, I bought these from Wilko's about 18 months ago, and they're on special offer, and they're actually really good. They come in a few sizes. I think there's 4 or 5 sizes there. One or two appear to have gone missing in action somewhere. So anyway, what I'm going to do, look, I'm going to use a bigger one. Now, the actual edges on these, not too bad actually, but the corners are very, very sharp. So before I actually use this, I'm going to just sort of, take off the very, very sharp corners on the basis that I don't want to tear the paper when I'm scraping off the compound and of course applying it. I'll reset the camera. We don't need loads of this stuff, just go a long way. I'm going to mix it to a sort of a thick, creamy consistency. I would point out, by the way, that I'm neither a drywall expert or a plastering expert, so I certainly wouldn't like to give that impression. I'm a DIYer, done loads of plastering, I'm very proud of what I do, but I'm not an expert. I do not do this for a living, okay. So this is coming on nicely then. I reckon that's about right. Just getting the lumps out. So all I'm going to do then, just do stick a little dollop on my pork. Don't need loads and loads on here. depressions on the wall. Pretty sharp those as well. Okay folks, so we've done all of the ceilings in all of the bedrooms now. Now, when this plaster dries out, it might shrink a little bit, and it may well be the case that I need to go over it with another coat. In fact, I'm pretty certain I will need to do that. But anyway, that didn't take too long at all. Thank you for watching.